Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be troubleshooting a common issue with the Samsung Odyssey G5 monitor. When the DisplayPort just isn't working, don't worry, I've got you covered with some quick and easy fixes. First off, if your monitor's DisplayPort isn't working, you might see a no signal message or the screen might stay blank. This can happen for several reasons, but I'll walk you through the steps to fix it. Start by checking the DisplayPort cable. Make sure it's securely connected to both your monitor and your PC. If the cable looks damaged, try using a different one to rule out the cable itself as the issue. Next, check the DisplayPort on both your PC and your monitor. If you have another DisplayPort, try using that. Sometimes a port might be faulty and switching to another one can solve the problem. Now let's check your graphics card drivers. Go to your PC's device manager and make sure your display drivers are up to date. Sometimes outdated drivers can cause issues with the DisplayPort. On your PC, make sure the correct display output is selected. Right-click on your desktop, go to Display Settings and make sure the monitor is detected. If not, try clicking Detect to find it. If these steps helped you get your DisplayPort working again, let me know in the comments. And if you're still having trouble, feel free to drop your question below. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.